Hey guys, let's check out this portable table. This is a heavy-duty plastic top. This is the 4-foot. It comes in a 6-foot, and it also comes in the color black. It's easy to set up. Note it's got the carrying handle. All right, so it locks into place here for when you tilt it over. You can hear very sturdy, locks into place. It's got 3 different heights. So the lowest height is 18.5 inches. It goes up to a 24.5, and it goes up to a 29.5, so a tabletop height. To adjust it, simply plug these in. I'm gonna put it to the 24.5 for what I'm gonna use it for today. It's got a powder-coated rust preventative steel leg, a non-marring cap so it won't scuff your floors. Let's see, we've got it locked into place. So you can use this for camping, outdoor entertaining, indoor use as well. I'm actually gonna use it for a kid's play table. So at this height, it's gonna be perfect for my son and me to work on puzzles, color. It's easy to wash, so let's check it out. Come here. Perfect height for him. What are we gonna do? Again, at this height, you could color. It's easy to wash with just water and soap. Overall, seems very sturdy, good product, recommend.